So this is 13, page 463. So the first thing that I notice here is I have a side and I have a bunch of angles. Okay, I don't know if I necessarily have to do the law of sines because I can easily come up with this angle, right? I probably do have to do the law of sines, but there might be a different way to do it. So let's go ahead and fill that in. And so that's just 180 minus 85 minus 47. So I guess I get what, 48? Is that right? Should be. The reason why I have to use the law of sines rather than something else is it's not a right triangle. Okay, because remember the law of sines is made for non-right triangles, so I will have to use the law of sines, but I do have at least all my angles. Now all I have to do is solve for little c over here, and I need to solve for little b. Okay, and so I'm going to start with just doing the law of sines. So I know a and 19, so I'm going to just do the 19 on top, and it is called the law of sines, the sine 48 on bottom, and that is going to equal, sure, let's start with b. Little b, and sine of 85. Okay, remember we can do the cross multiplication, but not all the way. So we're just going to cross multiply here. And so then we're going to get our final thing that we're putting in. So that is sine 85. Of course, I forgot the 19, so do 19 first. So 19 sine 85 over sine 48. And that should give me the first answer. I just put it in as a fraction usually. If your calculator can handle it, it's probably the easiest way. Let's do that. And I get something. That would be what, 25.5? So that would be b would equal 25.5. Okay, let's make sure that makes sense. Okay, makes sense because the biggest angle goes with the biggest side so far. Okay, all I need to do next is, well, I need to figure out what c is. And so I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to still use the 19 over sine of 48. The nice thing about it is I didn't round on this, so it's exact, and so it's better to use that. You can do it a different way, but it's better not to use any rounded values if you can. Okay, and so then I'm going to do that, and that's going to equal c over sine of 47. Do the exact same thing. It's going to look very similar, and the number is probably going to be very similar. Okay, can't be that different. That's going to equal c. All right, type in the calculator. Sometimes takes a while because if you make one mistake, you kind of got to start over, which is what I did. I got, let's see if I got it right. I got C equals 18.7. Is that right? Let's see if it makes sense. Okay. This one seems like it should be slightly bigger than this one. Is it slightly bigger? Because 48 is bigger than 47, so 19 should be bigger than 18.7. Did I solve the triangle? That's it.